What's going on, YouTube? It's another video. Y'all already know what's up. So this weekend, some of the boys were actually going to CruiseWeek. If you all don't know about that, it's a small, well, honestly, it's not even a small show anymore. It's called Ocean City Cruising in Ocean City, Maryland, of course. It's from Thursday to Sunday. So some people arrive, you know, a day early, Wednesday morning, while Lee will actually be taking the C5 out there. So if y'all see us, hit us up, honk your horn, say what's up. We'll appreciate it. Keep an eye out on the vet. As always, career performance on the back, photo wraps, our boy that rapped Waleed's car, and of course Waleed's Instagram right there. Our boy Rich's car is coming along. As you see, the motor's finally in the car, all cleaned up. Blowers over here, new ATI pulley, super dampener. This is a sticker. This is not a sticker. What is it? We actually gonna put this on the door. Bam! So we got the sticker on the door. So we got 3 ATI stickers. Well, I guess 4 now. So y'all need to send us more stickers. What's up, Alex?
Hey.
What's up, She? What's up?
German engineering.
German engineering?
German.
What are you fixing?
The hood keep getting stuck.
Can you adjust? You can adjust maybe a little bit.
Yeah, you can adjust that.
But to the point.
So this is on She's 7 Series. Yes, sir. It's good to go? Hold on. Go unlock it real quick. Bam.
BMW. This hood got stuck 3 times already.
3 times?
It's good now.
He
Just
greasy.
need some lube. Need some lube, right?
Yep.
That's right.
Everything works better with lube. No lube? Lube is good for the hood.
Watch it out.
No. Watch. Watch the magic, bro.
Alright, fix this good.
Right, do it again.
My finger.
Gotta make sure.
About to have my finger. Alright, Alright, we're good now.
Good
AC.
now. So that's the little cable that She fixed, the hood latch cable. I think Glenn gonna be a little bit happy. Just a little bit.
That's a little bit.
Right? It's been a couple months.
Let's find out. He's been waiting on this call for a while.
So we got Fawaz over here. Just gonna do like 2 pulls on this Mustang. J Money, you know what you're doing?
Nope.
We'll figure it out. On some polished welds.
Yeah, Ash's car.
Yeah. Y'all could comment down below if John's gonna be able to do this or not. You know what I mean? Let's see how positive our audience is with you, John.
Be positive with me.
Yeah. J Money.
Did he use lube or he spit on it?
You say what? Lens cars on the dyno. Let's see how much power it makes.
I put a first.
That's the bracket.
Yep.
Cable cool. Fawaz Z01 does like 300 miles per hour in a quarter mile, so this is why he needs that.
Is that a mile per hour? That's dangerous.
Stick your hand in there, brother.
Come on, bud.
What, the gauge is right here? Mm-hmm. Oh, okay. 50 psi.
Got a lot of weight in the front, baby. You know what I'm saying?
That's right. Glenn's car's on the dyno now. Derek's on the laptop, and the piece is in the car. So, trying to make some noise. So if y'all see us at Ocean City, honk your horn, say what's up. We'll be in our C5 this weekend.